Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Official Sita TV. Thank you so much for all the support, the comment, the share, and everything. God bless you. And for those of you that have not subscribed before, kindly subscribe to this amazing channel and be part of this family. Thank you so much. God bless each and every one of you. Well, my people, today when I see this picture, when I know you see so, that be our presido wife. The matter wey just carry me come, my people, the matter e get as e be, where we don already know say for that naija, not especially all those one wey dey in power, because there's nothing wey dem go just do now wey person go appreciate, because na only dem about dem, they don't even care about the other people. We don't already know all those one, but this particular one wey I just want talk about is this lady wey una dey see so, this our presido wife. No, wetin she do? Well, they fit dey do am before, because this very one I just, wetin just make me wan talk about this particular video is that for that naija as a whole, because we don already know, we know say they already talk and say Nigeria is a giant of Africa, because sometimes I go look left and right, front and back, I no see anything dey giant for there, because wetin make me, una go see this screenshot wey I put for here so, wey presido wife, because of neck pain na she from naija go Dubai because of neck. Una know how many people wey dey get neck pain, apart from maybe that naija, even this western world wey we dey so, wey maybe sometimes maybe you no sleep well, or because of breeze, you take breeze or something like that. Na something wey you just maybe just take rest for 2 or 3 days, the something go finish. This lady just from naija go Dubai because of neck pain. As she travel go Dubai, that is not my concern, but my concern about it is that for that naija as a whole, no doctor, na be say no doctor or nurse go fit treat neck pain. Na be say all those their phd, master degree, all those nurse and doctors dey wey dey graduate, this one say im graduate for science, engineering, biology, na be say no one fit know how to treat neck pain. Na be say if naija doctors and nurses dem no know how to treat neck pain, na be say that country, I no know wetin I just talk, because as I see this matter now, I say no, I need to inform my people, say because of how person go just because of neck, because neck dey pain, and you just from naija travel go Dubai go treat neck, ordinary neck pain. No be say the something just serious like that, because you know say sometimes na person fit sleep, na maybe you no sleep well, that neck head, the neck, e be like say you no use am take sleep well. Na this lady just move from naija just go there. The something is that because the more they are promoting all those western world, like Dubai, all those other country, because since I've been in this western world, I have never seen any governor or president or whatever say maybe because the person na so e get leg pain, e get hand pain, the person go move from, like example na, let me just use example, maybe like Jenny go move go America or London go treat the person. No, I've never seen something like that. But I don't know why naija people, all those, no be naija people, all those one wey dey in power, they just because leg dey pain, all those money wey dey spend for there, go another country go dey treat. If they invest all those money for that naija will be a better place. Even no be better place for everybody, at least for the masses, for them to can also treat theirself. But I don't know why all those people wey dey power, any small thing, if they sleep they no sleep well, if they waka they no waka well, they just from naija go all those western world, go Dubai go dey treat theirself. No be say e no good o, but I wish maybe all those money they invest that money for that country. At least that giant of Africa wey dey say Nigeria is a giant of Africa, e go be. But like if they dey say giant of Africa, I no see anything wey dey giant for there. I no just see for so many years. I no just see anything wey dey that giant for there. Maybe e dey giant for another thing, but for the good thing I no see anything. When my people outside say now, I say no, I need to bring this matter come give una because when the woman, you know, say some weeks ago they dey do Ramadan, as she come back from the where in with, you know, say people all those Muslim people now, as they dey do Ramadan, the gather go pray. As she come back from the place, she come dey feel neck pain. Then this woman just travel from Naija go Dubai, go treat herself because of neck pain. Because this very thing is, I don't know how to say it, but as I also now say no, I need to bring this topic, this talk to una doorstep. Wetin una still think about it? She, for me, she not just do am well, because I don't see anything neck pain. I don't see, not be say the something just dey your neck pain. You know how many people when they get neck pain, maybe you sleep, you not sleep well, maybe breeze or something like that enter. You know say sometimes if person not sleep according to the time wey doctor gives you, like normally na 8 hours be the normal sleep wey you sleep a day, when you get rest of mind. You know say some people, and because of work or one thing or the other, they will sleep 5 hours, 6 hours. This woman na because of neck pain, and she moved to Dubai go treat herself. For me, as I talked before, there's something that is not moving well in that country, because that giant of Africa where they talk, I not see anything where they giant for that. For all those our doctors, our nurses, when they graduate from PhD, master degree or no master degree, now they say if she will be the leader of country move comot, what of other people? What of other people? Now me say for that Naija, no doctors or nurses will fit treat neck pain. Well, my people, I go leave you now for wetin una still think about this video. Wetin una think about this president wife, whether she do, for me she not do am well. Let us be honest here, she not do am well, because there are many doctors and nurses that is well graduate for that Naija. Let me say she just pass north, south, east, west. She no come see any doctor or nurse wey go fit treat am for that neck pain. Now she say she just moved to that Dubai. For me, she not be only that neck. Now she go treat. Maybe they get money where they still carry comot for that Naija, go deposit am for there. Well, my people, wetin una still think about this video? Wetin una think about? Una no fail to leave your comment in the comment section, because they have been doing all those things since how many years, and this is the time that we need to talk. Leave your comment in the comment section. What do you think about this video? Thank you so much. I remain your official Cynthia TV. Ciao, bye.